Hi guys, it's Miss Chris again with another story. And today's story is Sea Creatures, and it's by Anna Faundez. Now, this book it's a nonfiction or informational textbook. So it actually has a table of contents, which is really cool. So you can actually see what parts or what of the story. So we have like under the sea, manatees, octopuses, seahorses, barracudas, angelfish, seals, sea anemones, sharks, a glossary index, and we even have parent and teacher notes, which is really cool. Under the sea, lots of amazing creatures live in the sea. Some are large and some are small. Some live deep and some live along the shore. The sea is home to animals of all sorts in different colors, shapes, sizes, and patterns. Manatees. Manatees are mammals. They cannot breathe underwater and come up to the surface for air. They use their flippers to crawl alongside the seabed. Manatees talk to each other or communicate by squealing. They are gentle creatures and like to play. They even kiss each other. Oh, look at them. Did you know also sailors used to think manatees were mermaids? Oh my. Octopuses. Octopuses have 8 long arms called tentacles. These are covered in suckers. Octopuses use their tentacles to grip onto rocks and other surfaces. They also use their tentacles to catch food. When attacked, octopuses shoot black ink at their enemies. Oh my. Octopuses can also hide by changing their skin color to match their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Seahorses. Seahorses are small creatures that are a type of fish. Some seahorses are only 13 inches long. That's only about like to here. That's it. Seahorses swim using fins along their backs to help them move forward. The female lays her eggs in the male's pouch, which is like a small bag. The eggs stay in the pouch until they are ready to hatch, so the daddy actually carries the eggs around. Barracudas. Barracudas live in warm seas. Their long or streamlined body helps them move fast in search of prey. They have strong jaws and lots of sharp teeth, and they're carnivores and eat smaller fish. They have even been known to attack humans. Oh my, have to be careful of the barracuda. Angelfish. Angelfish are very colorful. The young fish often has a different pattern and color from the adult. Angelfish live along coral reefs. Their coloring camouflages them so they can swim safely through the corals without being spotted by any predators. Seals. Seals look clumsy on land, but they are good swimmers and move very fast through water. A layer of fat called blubber keeps the seals warm in cold seas. Baby seals or pups are very playful. Penguins have to be very careful of seals. Seals like to eat penguins, and they eat lots and lots of fish too. Sea anemones. Sea anemones look like plants, but they're a type of animal. They are brightly colored with long, wavy tentacles, and they have a mouth in the middle of their bodies. Can you see their mouth in that picture? There's their mouth. Sea anemones attach themselves to corals and rocks and use their tentacles to catch their prey. Sea anemones are carnivores and eat small fish, shrimp, and crabs. Sharks. Sharks are fierce predators and eat other sea animals. They swim in the open sea as well as along coasts and reefs. Sharks have huge, strong jaws and several rows of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one quickly grows in its place. Glossary. Now, glossary is really cool. A glossary gives us definitions or what words mean. So they give us camouflage, something that makes an animal look part of its surroundings. Carnivore, an animal that eats other animals. Communicate. Ooh, my page changed. Communicate, a way of talking among animals. Hatch, when an animal breaks out of an egg. Mammals, an animal that feeds on its mother's milk. Prey, an animal that is hunted and eaten by other animals. Predator, an animal that hunts and kills and eats other animals. Streamlined, a body that is long and thin and can move quickly. And this here is called the index, and it tells us where we can find different things on different pages. So if we angelfish, and we can find that on pages 14 and 15. And if we look down at the bottom, see each of our pages have a number. See our shark, 20 and 21, 22, 23. And our last page is a note for moms and dads, which this gives some information just about how to read our story, which is very cool. So I hope that you enjoyed our Sea Creatures book today. All right. I'm glad that you came to hear a story. And remember to subscribe to the channel and to click that little bell so you know when I have another story coming up. See you later, guys. Bye.